But if you really want to get rid of the cough and you can afford it, you should get a formula like this. It's not only good for coughing, but good for your upper GI tract. And you know, when like I said, speak a lot, and sometimes I'll be irritated, I'll use this and it goes away in seconds, okay? And it has horsehound, mullein, aniseed, thyme, ginger in there. A very, very powerful formula, okay? Here's it, cough remedy. Okay, you need this at home anyways. You should always have this at home, even if you're not sick, because it comes in handy. And this will last a very, very, very long time. So your money is never going to waste.